So what I'm going to help explain today is going to be the difference between face detection and face recognition. There's two completely separate topics. It starts on the camera side. The analytics are actually built into the camera. There's known as edge-based analytics. The camera itself will actually pick up on a human as that first layer of the analytic. It'll then identify the person's face. That's the face detection part. So the system will automatically recognize the human, bring the face in, and just store it. The facial recognition is the second part, which happens on the NVR side, where it'll actually store the database, and it'll let you know not only is it a human, not only is it a face, but maybe we're going to create a group or identify a specific person. It could be a John Doe, for example. So the next time that human comes into the field of view, the face detection happens, it recognizes the person, then the database is cross-checked on the NVR. It'll identify that's actually John Doe. Let's go ahead and bring that as a separate event. So what we can do with that is we can actually create a group. We can create individual alerts. We can create schedules. So whether maybe it's a stranger, anytime a person that's not supposed to be here comes in, we want to be identified. The Speco Technologies NVR will be able to do that. We do want to keep in mind when we are using that technology, we want to make sure that the camera itself has the advanced analytic package, and the NVR, in this case the NRX series today, is the one that actually does the facial recognition on the database. So if you have those two things, you can actually set up all channels for that capability. In my case, super easy to set up. It's always off by default, so we do need to go in. I'm going to cycle back to the beginning here on the main menu. In my local GUI here, I'm just going to select the menu option. I'm going to go into settings, and then in the AI events, it might be kind of hard to see there, but there's actually listed all the different topics. I'm going to go right into face detection. So in face detection, I'm going to select the camera I want to set up. In this case, I'm going to be using the white light intensifier camera, 05LT1. I would have to come in here and enable it. By default, it's off. I would create my zone, and it's going to be this this green box that's already selected. From there, I can also select a schedule. When do I want this camera to create those events? I always use 24/7 for my events to be recorded on the NVR, because I can actually set up my push notifications and groups later. Once I have that set up, all the other options I usually leave on default, but the trigger mode is really what's going to give you the push notification, pop-up video. If you are monitoring locally and you want to see when a specific event happens, you can enable it there. I'll leave that there. Once it's set up, let me go back. All right, I'm gonna go back to the main page. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's already picking up. So I have the analytics running real time on the left side of the screen. So as a human comes into the field of view, it'll let us know that that is recognizing people. In my case, I already had my snapshot here at the top. I do have to enroll me as a person, but other than that, it's all set up and running. And that's it in a nutshell.